Hello, it's Larry Gaines from Options on the Open. I wanted to go over several things in this video that I think will be very beneficial to you. First off, I want to show you where the current price cycles are for the long-term market trend for the S&P 500, for the medium-term market trend, and then I'm going to show you some swing trades and day trades using the power cycle trading model, which is a price cycle timing model that we use for all of our trading, and we use it for long term to short term to day trade to swing trade. So I wanted to go through a few things here to show you how this system can be used across all time frames and across all the various different asset classes. So before I get started though, if you've not received my free ebook, please go here to optionsontheopen.com. Right there, just put your name and email address. You'll get my Make Money Trading Options, my top 15 option strategies. So got a few things to cover here, so let's get rolling. Just one more thing, I'll also be speaking at the Money Show, the Forex and Option Expo. It'll be held September 13th through 15th in Las Vegas. It's at the Paris Hotel. And I'll be speaking on Friday, September 14th at 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and talking about weekly options and trading them using an intraday system that we've developed. So if you're in Las Vegas, please come by. I'd love to meet you, and we can discuss your option trading strategies and much more. So let's get rolling here on this market trends. Last Tuesday, August 21st, I put out a video blog to everyone just to show you that the cycle model had turned over to the downside for the medium-term trend as measured by the daily. So right here where this red arrow is, you can see that the cycle model that we use for our trading gave us a cycle high signal that the market had, for the medium term, has hit a cycle high. So we'll see what happens, but you can see from past indications here where the cycles have been. Here you had a long cycle low that was on the 27th of July. Then it went neutral, and then it went back long again right here on the 6th of August, and then it went neutral. The cycle model went neutral to the market on the 14th, and then went to cycle high short on the 21st. So that's the medium term. The long term, however, is still in an uptrend, and I'll show you that real quick. The long term trend is still up, and we measure the long term trend using weekly time frames, and it's been in an uptrend since the 8th of June right here. So the system that we use over a longer term time frame gave us an entry signal for a cycle low trade, for long term position at the 8th of June, and it's been in a long-term trend ever since, and still in a trend. So in this type of market, you want to use your medium-term time frame when it turns over to look for pullbacks to buy, and that's exactly what we got this week, and I'll show you that. Now at Options on the Open, we use this trading model, this price cycle trading system, for all of our different type of trading. Either long-term, medium-term to intraday to swing trades. And on this particular time frame, the 60-minute, we use this time frame for our swing trades, and we had a swing trade cycle high right here on the 21st of August. And that's on the same day that the medium-term trend turned down. So the system went short right here where this red arrow is. That just indicates the entry area. So that went short on the 21st of August, and then went from short to long for a cycle trade, swing trade to the upside on the 24th, which was Friday. So you can see here it nailed the downside, perfect downside entry on the cycle low, and had this move to the upside. So if you look back, the medium-term trend is still down. The intermediate term trend shifted to the upside, and the long-term trend is up. So we can play these different time frames using the cycle model, to trade all the different time frames from the long-term, medium-term, intraday, to swing trades using minute charts, and so it's very accurate on picking these. And I'm going to show you the same for the S&P 500 futures. So here's the trading model, the power cycle trading model with the S&P futures. This is the September contract on the S&P 500 futures, and here's a cycle high right here. This is a swing trade that the system gave using the same model on a 60-minute time frame, which we use for intermediate swing trades. So that came on the 21st. Right here went short, then it went long on the 22nd. So you can see a cycle low. It stopped out here on the 22nd, so it went neutral. Then it went long again, another cycle low, long. This is a swing trade. This is for swing trade. This was on the 22nd of August. So nailed the cycle low here, held that through until the 23rd, went short, cycle high, and then on the 23rd, again it went long, so it went from short to long. And this is the system, and then it went neutral, so it had a small loss there, and then it went long again here on the 24th, just same as the S&P futures. The S&P cash, which I showed you on the prior chart. So you can see, using this for swing trades, you get a cycle high, cycle low, cycle low, cycle high, cycle low. So it's very accurate on your entries, and it's highly accurate. So that's for swing trades. Now I'm going to show you real quick the day trades that it did for Apple on Friday the 24th. Now these arrows I put in to show you where the system actually took a position. I can't put in my indicators here because they're proprietary, but if you join us at Options on the Open and buy the course, you'll get all this, the system and everything, so you'll see exactly how these arrows set the entries based on the system. But here's Apple. This was on the 24th of August, which is Friday, and this was a short right about 5 minutes after the open. The system went short, then the system went long, the cycle low long right at about 8:46 Central, went long again at 9:02 Central, went long again at 9:08 Central, went long again at 9:22 Central. Then we had a cycle high short trade at 9:48, went short, then another cycle low long trade at 10:16 Central, cycle high trade at 12:14 Central, cycle low at 12:32 Central, cycle high at 12:56 Central, and then the last trade of the day on Friday was a cycle low trade at 14:14, which is 2:14 Central. So these arrows just mark where the system got in, and you can see, cycle low, cycle high, cycle low, cycle high, cycle low. So then we also have some momentum trend indicators for the system breakout, which was right here. This was a trend breakout, another trend breakout. So we cover everything here with this model. So if you'd like to improve your trading and improve your profits and your accuracy, please come join me at Options on the Open and learn how we use the power cycle trading model. And thank you for your time.